Hey everyone, my name's Jeff. Welcome back to Jonesworks. Today we're going to make a mobile base for this DeWalt table saw with onboard outfeed and dust collection. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Now let's get to the project.
Shot the sheriff and I slipped the noose. The law ain't never been a friend of mine. I would kill again to keep from doing time. You should never ever trust my kind. I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man. Took the pistol and I shot out all the lights. I started running in the middle of the night. The law ain't never been a friend of mine. I would kill again to keep from doing time. You should never ever trust my kind. I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? I'm a wanted man. If you ask me to change, I don't know if I can. I'll always be who I am. I'm a wanted man. I got blood on my hands. Do you understand? Savages, we're savages. Broken words, broken bones, broken windows in our broken homes. Can't you see? You should never come too close. Believe me, 'cause I know on the level with you. If you think that you can handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages. If you think that you can handle this, you gotta know who you've been messing with. Savages, savages, we're savages. Yeah! If you think that you can handle this, then you better know you're messing with savages, savages, we're savages. If you think that you can handle this, you gotta know who you've been messing with. Savages, savages, we're savages. Can you handle this? We're savages. Can you handle this? We're savages.
So here it is, the complete mobile base for my DeWalt table saw. It's got storage here below for my miter gauge and other table saw related tools. The dust collection automatically turns on with the saw so I don't blow chips all over the place. And there's a split in here for this auxiliary hose so I can have dust collection above and below the saw blade. All of the controls on the table saw are still easily accessible from the sides. I've routed these channels in the tabletop for the miter gauge to completely move past the blade. The brackets and most of the fittings are all 3D printed for a custom fit. And these rails down here make it so I can easily locate where the table saw goes. That way I can remove it and take it with me if I ever need to do that. The last thing I'd like to do is put in a wall here to store the dust collection, riving knife, as well as the dado stack. But I haven't figured out how I want to have it laid out, so I'll do that some point in the future. This was a ton of fun to make. And I know it's going to make using the table saw a lot more convenient, fun, and easy to use. If you guys liked the video, please consider sharing and subscribing. It really helps out the channel. I'll see you guys on the next project.